Hey guys, so I'm back with another video and I hope you enjoyed this one. So when coloring my hair, I like to start off with 4 sections. They're not perfect, but I'm going to go ahead and do my color with the Clariol texture and tones. It's supposed to be like an orangish color, but I'll let you see towards the end so you all can see how it actually came out. Right now I'm just mixing all the contents that are in the box, and I'm gonna shake it up and go ahead and start applying it to my hair. So I already have my gloves on. They actually came inside of the box. For those of you who did not know this, I go ahead and I start putting the color on the roots of my hair, and I use the dyeing brush and just spread it out thoroughly, trying to get it as close as I can to the roots to my scalp. And the brush is just easier for me while I'm doing this process because, oops, see, that's why I wear old shirts. But it's just easier for me because sometimes when I do it with my hands, I don't know, I just miss certain spots and then my hair is still dark. So I just use this just to evenly distribute the color throughout my hair. And I go from there. I start to part it off in sections as well to make sure that I get the entire section, colored as evenly as possible. Now, once I have done my roots, I go ahead and put the color at the ends. Now, as you all can tell, my ends are already light, so it's not going to take but so much for them to get lighter. So I just do that last. I just go ahead and work the color all the way through until I feel as though, it's all in there. And then I just go ahead and use my fingers and kind of rake through it towards the ends, and I just keep going and keep going. I'm starting to redo my roots a little bit just to make those a little bit lighter. And this process is very easy. It's not hard at all. And I'm not going to show you the rest of the sections. I just wanted you all to see what I did for this first section. So I have finished off all 4 sections. I am raking through the entire back, going to take these scrunchies out and make sure that all of my hair has the color in it. It is evenly distributed. I'm raking through, just making sure that I didn't miss any spots, and I'm going to use all of this color because I paid my money for it and I'm going to use it. But I really just use it just so that or use it all up just so my hair is lighter and is doing what I want it to do. And I'm not sure if you all notice right here, but you can see my scalp is turning orange. The color is setting in. The roots, my edges are looking a little oranger, just a little brighter. So what I'm doing, I'm just making sure that everything is just in there. I don't want to miss any spots. I want to make sure my hair actually turns the color. See, you can tell my ends right there are, they're turning that orangish color, which is something that I want. I just go ahead and put the rest of that color on my roots. I put my hair in a ponytail, and I'm going to smush that thing in, okay? Rub-a-dub-dub, all in there. So this is my hair after I have done everything. It's raw. I haven't shampooed or conditioned it out. As you can see, the edges are turning orange and I'm happy. So I just go ahead and place a bag on my head just to keep everything sealed in. And I'm going to keep that on for about 25 to 30 minutes before I wash anything out. And then I'll come back to you all and let you see the style after I've done everything. So I have already blow dried, flat ironed, and pin curled my hair up for the night. I am now taking it down. I'm very, very happy about the color. I love how my hair does its own thing since I've already colored it so many times before. And certain parts will get super, super light and some parts will still stay dark. But overall, I am satisfied. And that's the main point of doing your hair, is making sure that you're satisfied with what you've done. So as you all can see, I am feeling this look. I love the color. I love my layers. I love how I flat ironed it. I'm just ecstatically in love with my hair. And that's my goal in doing my hair, that I can make myself happy and I'm doing what I love and it comes out exactly how I want it to. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Come back for more. Like, comment, subscribe. Smooches.